Hello, right now I'm making some pancakes. I think they're about ready to be flipped. Where'd it go? Oh! Well, I think I better try that again. They're about ready to be flipped. Where'd they go this time? Oh! Okay, maybe I should try that one more time. Yes, I actually did it. Okay, gonna try it again. I'm gonna see what happens if I do it really hard. What was that? I wonder what it was. It's an egg. I wonder how I laid an egg. I'm gonna have to try and keep it warm somehow. But how? Can you keep my son warm?
I'm sorry, but I am only an illusion.
Can you keep my son warm?
Want to see this trick I can do with my eyes?
Okay. Thanks for keeping my son warm for me.
Oh, anytime.
Well, I guess I better get going.
What a nice man.
Now. Hello.